Hey there, YouTube. So the other day, for some reason unbeknownst to me, one of my flatmates had some dog food with her. And 'cause I do that sort of stuff, I decided to eat it and just thought I'd share the experience with you. Enjoy. I like how you're filming this. I'm like, I don't mind eating this. Yes, it's dog food, but it's bacon. But it actually smells really good.
It's nice. Jesus, no.
Oh, God. Doesn't it taste so much? I want more than this! What the fuck, bacon, thing you lied to me? Oh, that's marketed. What's fake marketed? It's good, actually. It's quite good. How much is this?
£2.
Don't eat dog food. I'm just eating dog food. Right. Nice. Texture's good, but I give these 8 fuzzy ducklings out of Pom Bears.